Hello and welcome. In today's tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the process of setting up a Raspberry Pi in headless mode, enabling you to get your device up and running without the need for a monitor, keyboard, or mouse. Let's dive in. First, download the Raspberry Pi imager. Next, select your device, choose your operating system, and then pick your SD card. Before we install the operating system, there are a few minor adjustments we need to make. Set your username and password, connect to your Wi-Fi network, choose your country and keyboard layout, and finally, enable SSH. Now, open the Windows PowerShell and enter the command. Enter the password you set earlier. And that's it. Thanks for watching.